Hello, this is Said Sajjadis. In this short video, we will share various techniques of filtering in MS Excel. Hopefully, this will benefit you. Let's start the video and please watch till the end. Thank you so much. The first step to enable the filter in MS Excel is type Shift Control with L. So first of all, we will press Shift Control and L. Here we can see the filter is on. To remove the filter, we should again press Shift Control with L. So please press Shift Control with L again. Yes, we can see the filter is now removed. The second way of enabling filter is to go data tab first. So we should go the data tab first. Here we are already in the data tab. We just need to press the filter. You can see the filter is now on. To remove the filter, you can just press the filter here and the filter will be removed. And the last strategy is applicable when we have to work with keyboard. There is no option to use the mouse. So in the keyboard, just press Alt. After pressing Alt, you can see A in the data tab. So just press A again, and you can see that T is written in just below in the filter, just below the filter button. So press T. So you can see the filter is now on. To remove the filter, again press Alt in your keyboard. After pressing the Alt, you can press A again, and finally if you press T, the filter is now removed. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you will see the next video. Thank you so much.